Hello students. In last class we sorted materials into various groups. Let us be a little more systematic. Today we will try to identify the materials that object around us made of. It will be fun in collecting information about as many as object as possible. It may seem difficult to find out materials out of which some of these objects are made, but in that case you can discuss with your friends, parents, and with me. Observing objects around us, we can find out that an object may be made of more than one type of material. For example, a toy may be made of cloth, plastic, wood, plaster of Paris, or metal. Now we will fill this table, which consists of objects and the material they are made of. This table has two columns. In the first column, we have to mention the name of objects. In second, we have to mention materials they are made of. First, plate. A plate can be made of steel, glass, plastic, clay, paper. Now next one, pen. The material used to prepare a pen can be plastic or metal. We can extend this table by putting many things on it, like tiles. Tiles may be made of wood, clay. Now you can say chair. Chair can be made of metal or wood. So in this way this table can be extended. Now different types of object may be made of same material. Yes, different kind of things can be made from a single material. For example, chair, table, plow, handcart, wheels, matchsticks, they all are made of wood. So we will fill a table here. Different type of objects that are made from same material. Now in first column we have mentioned the material, and in second column we will write objects made of these materials. The things made of wood are chair, table, plow, bed, doors, windows, many more. Next one is paper. Books, notebooks, newspapers, toys, calendars. These are the things which are made of paper. Next, leather. Belt, bag, jacket, shoes are made of leather. Next, plastic. Students, if you will look around you, you will observe that most of the things are made of plastic, like your pen, some toys, pipes, bottles, plates. Next one is cotton. The things which are made of cotton are like your shirt, trouser, bedsheet, sari. What do we find from these tables? First, we grouped objects in many different ways. Then we found objects around us are made of different materials. At times, an object is made of a single material. An object could also be made of many materials. And then again, one material could be used for making many different objects. So students, you must have understood that a single object can be made up of many materials, and a single material can be used to prepare many objects. That's all students. Have a great day.